Good day, everyone. One more time, we are here with another work to be done. We need to, today. What are we doing exactly? We are going to be working on an ASA SMPS power pack. I mean, the charger for a laptop or an ASA laptop specifically. So, as you can see, this is ASA. So, really releasing any power. It's not delivering any power, so it can't charge at the moment. The owner brought it alongside with the system that the system is not charging. So first thing we did was to test, and we are going to be repeating that. We are going to test the voltage. Now we are putting our multimeter in place. Let me get a power pack. Yes, power pack gotten already. It's connected to it, and let us see if it has some DC volts. Now let's check the screen, the multimeter screen. It's got no charge, nothing at all. Okay, let us be sure if the power cable has some AC volts. Let us check that, but before we do that, we need to turn it to AC range. The multimeter to AC range. Let's check the screen. Check the screen. So it means that it's not the cable itself is not actually delivering any power. Okay, there's no power from the cable. Yes, so there's an output, there's power from it. Now let's check it. Let's connect it to the power pack. It's connected to the power pack. Don't worry, let's connect it to power pack. Now the power pack is not delivering any power. No power. So that's to tell you the power is not working. Power pack is not working. So we are going to be checking what exactly the problem is. Now, how do we go about that? We need to lose this. A lot of times people try to see if they can pair. Okay, sometimes it's easy to open, sometimes it's not easy, but this time around we are very fortunate that it's very easy to break through. So now we've been able to access it, and let us visually inspect what the problem is. Let us visually inspect what the problem is. Now, first thing first, check the cable. Let's check the continuity of the cable. Take it to continuity mode, where you get to hear the beeping sound. It's on continuity mode at the moment. All right. So let us check for the negative terminal. Does it have any? Yes, it is continuous. That means the cable along the path of the negative terminal is okay. And let us check for that of positive. For the two of them, that means the cable is okay. So first thing has been, that's one of the first steps you check through. Now also, we need to look at the connector, the power connector, the mains connector. I mean the mains ports rather. The mains port here, we need to check if it is well connected on board. I think it is. So there are 4 terminals here. There are 4 terminals. This is the rectifier diode. At these 2 terminals, we have the output, which is the rectified voltage. So here is where we have the inputs from the mains. So let us check if it's continuous with the mains. Yes, this part is continuous. That means it's okay. There's no damage with the terminal, and this part is also okay. So the two terminal, the live and the neutral, are actually getting to the, because that's the first source, the first landing points from the mains is at the input of the rectifier diode, which is at the middle. The 2 pins at the middle here. So they are the 2 landing points for the mains coming in from the ports. So all of that is okay. Now let us check the diodes, the output diode, which is a choky diode. We call it choky diodes. So let us see if it is okay. Yes, the choky diode is giving us good results. Choky diode is good. It's good. Yeah, 205. Then here also correct. So that means the resistance for the diode is okay, and these two are connected together. Now, from what I can see, if we can focus very well, the terminal of this choky diode, the 3 terminals, let us zoom it down to it, so you will see some cracks at the 3 terminals. The 3 terminals are having kind of crack on board. On the PCB, you will see that. Can we see it? Is it clear? Okay. The 3 terminals, you see that they are open on board. So that's where we will need the work of the soldering iron. The soldering iron needs to get that soldered properly on board, so that it can be held back in place. We need to put those terminals back in place and get it fixed. So started doing this. The first terminal is being soldered properly. So the problem is loose soldering. So I think that is done. Now let us check other locations, other points on board that the terminals are not well soldered on board. There's a shift on board, so we are going to get all of that rectified once and for all. Those are the ones I can see for now. You can see. Okay. So that is okay. Every other point, every other terminals are well soldered on board. Everything is in place. So we are going to check again and see if that's already rectified the problem. We are going to do the tests like we did initially before we open the power pack. So now let me get my tester. So I think it's okay. And let us check if it's working, and let us confirm the DC volts. Let's check the DC volts. Let's check the DC volts. Now check the screen. It's giving us 19.9, which is exactly the voltage we want to see. So this already fixed this power pack. So the problem already fixed. If you are a new person watching this video, please would like you to subscribe to our channel, give us a like and comment. And if you are not new, probably you have been watching our videos, this particular one, probably you have some questions or something that is that you need to know that is not too clear in the course of the video, you can do well to put that in our comment section, and we're going to respond to you as fast as we can. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.